My name's Neil Tickton. I'm the editor-in-chief and publisher of MacTech Magazine. We're here this week with TUAW doing interviews for developers, or of developers, about Apple's announcements during WWDC 2012 here in San Francisco, and to hear what their favorite pieces are, how it impacts them as far as developments down the road, as well as to hear a little bit about what they're doing. I'm joined now with John Gomez from Jago Labs. John, thanks for joining us here.
Thanks for having us.
Jago's a new company, so let's start off with, what does Jago Labs do?
So Jago Labs a little differently. Rather than be a company that does one type of software, we actually try to take the technologies and mend them into different products. So for the iOS, macOS platform, we're coming out with a series of games. The first one's called Seal Fitness Challenge, which we hope to get approved in the next couple of weeks. But we also concentrate on big data and big data applications.
Okay.
So that's kind of us in a nutshell.
Okay.
You know?
So I guess why don't we talk a little bit about big data applications and well, first of all, let's define what big data is. I think a lot of people might not know.
Yeah, so typically big data is looked at in one of two ways. One way is terabytes upon terabytes of data that need to be analyzed very quickly. It's become very popular because of Facebook and graphing and social media. What we're looking at is how do we take that into other industries such as healthcare and other areas that allow us to really look for that needle in the haystack amongst just the onslaught of information that comes at us today.
So are you developing apps for other companies as you're doing this, or is this you're providing services to them? How would you?
We actually build our own products. We also help other companies design their products. We're not a consultancy, so we're actually a true software development firm, but from time to time we will have other companies come to us and say,
do a special project.
Do a special project, and we'll say, okay, but we retain rights to the products.
Got it. Got it. What do you have? So we talked a little bit about the game. Is there other stuff that's coming down the pike here?
There is. I'd probably rather not talk about it right now.
That's okay.
But we do have some products in the pipeline, especially in the gaming area. Some of the things that we saw at WWDC have actually helped us help us bring that to market much faster.
Oh, cool.
Especially the ubiquity that we're seeing Apple do across their product lines is really helping us in terms of how do we create a game or a big data app that you can use on one device and continue playing on another device. So that's exciting for us.
It's an interesting relationship between games and big data. How that's not the pairing you normally see.
Well, and we're happy about that because that's a differentiator for us. But for us, what it is a lot of the AI algorithms and the neural nets that we would apply in gaming actually have a lot of application in terms of predictability and forecasting within data. And so for us, it's a natural segue between the both.
Got it. So other than the MacBook Pro with Retina display, which is everybody's favorite product from the show,
right?
So that's the easy answer. So I just to give it.
Right.
What was your favorite thing to see?
Was there anything else at the show?
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I mean, it probably is the ubiquity. I mean, as we take a step back and look at the technologies across that they're announcing, is really the fact that, we can start doing things that apply from the iPad to the iPhone. The iCloud stuff that they're doing for us is really important. The fact that I can start something on one app, whether it's data related or gaming, and then go to my MacBook and continue working with. That was really interesting. The Passbook stuff we felt was really cool.
Yeah.
We see a lot of application for that, especially from a data perspective.
Right.
The Game Center socialization that they're doing, a lot of the stuff in Game Center we thought was really
It's basically the whole 2 hours. That's the part.
Yeah, it's easier to say, well, what didn't you? I mean, well, there's some things that we were hoping we would see that we didn't see, but it happens.
Yeah, exactly.
But we did. I think it really for us is the ubiquity that they're trying to get to.
Great. Well, John, thank you for joining us. I appreciate you taking the time to come by. I'm Neil Tickton. These are the TUAW MacTech Magazine interviews at the Worldwide Developer Conference in San Francisco in 2012. Thanks for watching.